Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 5. This, that, these, those from the book Grammar 1. A. Look at the pictures and read the following sentences. So we have to look at some pictures and read some given sentences. So we have the first one. This is my pen. So as you can see, there is a girl who is holding a pen in her hand. So when there is a thing which is nearer to us, so we use the word this for only one thing, one place, or that can be animal. We use the word this. Okay. Then we have second, that is an aeroplane. So this is the picture of an aeroplane, right? This aeroplane is far away from this girl. So when the things are far away from someone, and when we used to refer to them as a single thing, we use the word that. Okay. Then we have third, this is a doll. Then there is another girl you can see. She's saying this is a doll. As you can see, she is holding a doll in his hand. Right. So that is near to her. So we use the word this here. Again, remember this. We use this and that for only one thing, animal, or place. Okay, in which this we use for near things that are near to us, and that we use for the things that are far away from us. Okay, then we have fourth one, that is a car. As you can see, here is a car, and this car is far away from this girl. So she said that is a car. Okay. Then we have fifth. These are chocolates. So now if we talk about many things, or you can say we are talking about the plural things. So if the thing is near to us, we use the word these. Again, for place, animal, or thing, if there are many and near to us, we use the word these. Okay, as you can see, so there is written already, these are chocolates. Okay, then we have the sixth one, those are birds. So if we are talking about again many things, plural things, and the object is far away from us, then we use the word those for animal, things, and place. As you can see, there are so many birds, right, that are far away from us. So we use the word those here. Okay. Then we have seventh one. These are books. Here you can see these are the books. Okay. Then we have the eighth one. Those are kites. Here you can see the child is holding so many kites. Again, remember this. We use those for the things that are far away from us and that are, and when we talk about plural things or many things. Okay. Now, we use this for a person, place, or thing that is near us. We use that for a person, place, or thing that is far from us. I have already explained you this, that this हम वहां यूज करते हैं किसी पर्सन, प्लेस या थिंग के लिए जो चीजें हमारे पास में होती हैं, और दैट हम तब यूज करते हैं जब कोई पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग हमसे दूर होती है, फार अवे होती है. ओके, देन we use these for persons, places, or things that are nearer to us. So again, these हम वहां यूज करते हैं जो पर्सन, प्लेसेस और एनिमल हैं, वो प्लूरल में है सबसे पहले, और वो हमसे near हैं उनके लिए यूज करते हैं. Okay, then we use those for persons, places or things that are far from us. और जो those है वो हम उनके लिए यूज करते हैं जो person, animal और thing हमसे दूर हैं उनके लिए. Okay, then we have tips to remember. This for one person, place or thing. This is used for only one person, place or thing. Then these for more than one person, place or thing. जो these है वो more than one person, place or thing के लिए use करते हैं. That for one person, place or thing. That again वो one person, place or thing के लिए. Then those for more than one person, place or thing. Those are more than one person, place or thing के लिए use करते हैं. Then B, fill in the blanks with this or that. Okay. Now first, dash is a balloon. You can see this child is having a balloon, right? So that is near to her. So we'll write this. Then second, dash is an ostrich. Here you can see this ostrich is far away from her. So we use the word that. Then we have the third one. Dash is a lion. So again you can see there is a lion, and again from this girl this lion is far away, so we use the word that. Okay. Then we have fourth, dash is a house. So here is the child, here is the house, and these are far away from her. So we use the word that. Then fifth, dash is a giraffe. Then here is the giraffe, which is again far away from this girl. So we use the word that. We have the sixth one, dash is a pen. So here you can see the child is holding a pen in his hand. So that pen is near to him. So we use the word this. Then seventh, dash is an elephant. Here is the elephant which is far away from us. So we use the word that. Then we have the eighth one, dash is a painting. You can see there is a person paints the painting, right? So that painting is near to him. So we use the word this. Then we have C, fill in the blanks with these or those. Okay. Now first, dash are books. So here is the books. So we use the word these because these books are near to us. Then second, dash are flowers. Here are the flowers. These flowers are far away from us. So we use the word those. Then we have third, dash are grapes. Here are the grapes. So these grapes are near to us and they are in for more than one basically. So we use the word these. Then fourth, dash are ducks. Here are the ducks and these ducks are far away from us. So we use the word those. Fifth, dash are cheeks. So here you can see there are so many cheeks. So they are near to us. So we use the word these. Then we have sixth one, dash are keys. Here are the keys. These keys are near to us, so we use the word these. Then we have D, look at the pictures and tick the correct sentences. So we have to look at some pictures and tick on the correct sentence. So as you can see, there is only one ball. We have a sentence given. This is a ball. These are balls. So there is only one thing. So we use the word this here. Okay. So this is the correct sentence. Then we have pencils here. We have sentences given. This is a pencil slash these are pencils. So as you can see, we have more than one pencils. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. So if there are more than one thing, so we use the word these. So the correct one is these are pencils. Then here you can see the picture of glasses. We have option. This is a glass slash these are glasses. So here you can see we have glasses more than one. So we use the word these. So the correct answer is these are glasses. Then we have a bouquet of flowers and we have option given. This is a flower slash these are flowers. So we have more than one flowers here in a bouquet, right? So we use the word these. Okay, so the correct answer is these are flowers. Then we have this picture. Here you can see there are birds and we have option that is a bird slash those are birds. So here you can see we have more than one bird. So we use the word those as they are far away from us. So we use those word, right? So the correct answer is those are birds. Then we have this one. Here you can see we have an aeroplane. Now we have an option that is an aeroplane slash those are aeroplanes. So we have here only one airplane, right? So what we'll use the word that. As aeroplane is far away from us, we use the word that here and there is only one aeroplane, right? So the correct answer is that is an aeroplane. Then we have books. We have two options. This is a book slash these are books. So here you can see we have more than one book. So the correct answer is these are books. Then we have birds here in the picture. We have two options that is a bird slash those are birds. So we have more than one bird and these all birds are far away from us. So we have the right answer that is those are birds. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.